Today in the livestock market, the cattle was a little mixed. It really traded on both sides of the market. It needs the need for supplies is underpinning a lot of the futures prices. So here we are on Friday with cash cattle is yet to really be determined. I think that yesterday's limited volume definitely opens the doors to a new positive tone, which is kind of interesting. Even though we've been moving sideways, the market hasn't broken down. We really expected a better correction. The market really pulled back. It did not happen. So that tells me that there's a very good possibility we can get one more surge here before the end of the year, which is 2 more sessions, end of the year, end of the decade, saying a lot actually before we start to focus on the China deal. Now with feeder cattle, they're kind of firm. The less cash trade is pointing to a little bit higher market, so that could be the big indicator. Prices are steady after a triple-digit rally yesterday, and I think the high is very possible with 2 more sessions left to actually make a new high, which we didn't think could even happen, but it certainly is in the cards right now. So there's going to be a lot more volatility to come. Hogs were steady to a little bit lower. I think the futures just remain in a consolidative state. They're not really selling off, but the pork industry has really suffered greatly from the trade deal, from not having a trade deal, and they're going to be on the sidelines waiting for an actual signed deal with some details before this market really gets any kind of energy. But some of the pork values were also sagging, and the fundamentals are really almost of no consequence at this point right now, because we're watching for this trade deal. We're watching for a little bit of momentum. We have the end of the year. Everyone's positioning, trying to get their trades intact, and how this market is going to end. It certainly looks like on the hog side, it may just end with a little bit of a fizzle, but it still could be vulnerable to price swings. So we just have to watch that. Definitely the cattle side looks really good.